can I go on holiday?
Yes, of course, people on home hemodialysis can go on holidays. There are a few things to consider, however, so you do need to speak to your dialysis team for more information. This is important because it is important to patients, their freedom and their holidays. So it's important to remember that you can have hemodialysis and go on holidays, but you can't have a holiday from dialysis.
It's a pretty simple procedure. It's just a case of letting us know where you want to go. The team can then support you to get in touch with whichever local unit is close to where you're staying, and then you would be booked in to go for dialysis there. So if you're a home hemodialysis patient, then you can let them know that you do all your self-cannulation or needling yourself, and hopefully they'll be fine with you to do that there yourself. And if you're a unit hemodialysis patient, you would just go to this unit as you would go to your normal unit, and you'll be really well looked after. And you can just go there for your treatment the few days that you need to when you're on holiday, and carry on your holiday outside of that.